Yo, welcome back. Today we're doing 8th grade CC1, interpret tables. Okay, so we're dealing with data, a unit on data. So basically it's a lot of reading and just read for understanding. So looking at this question, Keith, a fantasy football fan, carefully studied the number of touchdowns completed by his favorite players last season. So we have football touchdown scored last season, touchdown scored, and the frequency. Okay, I guess that means during a season. So how many players scored exactly one touchdown last season? Okay, so this is basically about reading carefully. So it says exactly one. Okay, so this is exactly 1. So the answer should be 19. Okay, no problem. Alright, next question. It says, convinced she could do well as a competitor, Zoe tracked the scores on a TV game show over the course of a week. So we have TV scores on a TV game show. These are the scores and these are the frequencies. How many people scored at least 8? Okay, so at least 8. That means basically 8 or more. Okay, so this 12 is not the right answer because these people scored 9, so they scored 8 or more. These people scored 10, so they scored at least 8 or 8 or more. Okay, so you have to add all of these numbers up over here. Alright, so let's do that. So we got 12 plus 10 plus 16. That gives us possible answer 38. Alright, cool. Next one. As part of statistics lesson, Miss Baxter asked her students how many jackets they own. Okay. Number of jackets, frequency, how many students own more than one jacket? More. So that means more. So that's here, 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 here. Okay, so we have to add all of these numbers up. Alright. That is 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 15 equals 26. Alright. The students in Mr. Ramsey's class recorded the number of siblings that each has. Alright, these are the number of siblings over here. These are the frequency. How many students are there in all? Okay. How many students are there in all? Okay, so alright, so if I'm interpreting this correctly, 14 students had 0 siblings, 20 students had 1 sibling, 2 students. So basically you have to add up this whole column of numbers right here. Just the total number of students. Now that seems a little bit weird because I don't know how you're gonna have that many kids in a classroom, but let's see what we get. plus 2 plus 10 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 53 students. Well, let's see. Oh, I guess that's it. Okay, so moving right along. So basically with these, you just got to read and answer the question. All right, so last one. The Summerfield Tourism Office researched how often people played golf last summer. So playing miniature golf last summer, times played, and the frequency. How many people played mini golf fewer than 3 times? It says fewer than 3 times. So you're talking about here, here, and here. So then we want to add these 3 numbers, it appears. Okay, so we're going to clear that out. We're going to do 16 plus 1 plus 19, giving us 36. Alright, so that's how you do that. If you have any questions, see me in class. Other than that, peace.